for your assignment today, we practiced a few words together and we talked about how the words change whenever a silent E is added. So the word Matt, instead of saying Matt, now says mate because the A says its name, the quiet E kicks the vowel. Hat turns into hate. The A says its name, h-ate. Mod turns into m-ode, mode. Rob turns into robe, robe. So I want you guys today on your piece of paper at home to write these words: cap, tap, rat, mop, and hop. Add a quiet E to the end of each of those words and practice reading the original word and the new word out loud to someone at home. So for example, cap. If I add an E on the end, how does that A sound change? So at home, you'll write the word cap, you'll read it out loud, cap, cap. Then add the quiet E and read the new word out loud. But I want you to also write the new word with the quiet E on your paper and upload a picture of your work so that I know you guys are practicing this at home.